Ant, tiny and small, marching, marching, not gonna fall. Ant, carrying bread, marches all day, then goes dead. B is for bunny, bunny, bunny hops so high. Bunny, bunny touch the sky.
Bestie, tell me honestly, how was that cartoon song you just saw at the start of this video? Cute, right? Fun, right? And also, kinda crazy how these simple songs get millions of views on YouTube. Like, bruh, the algorithm loves kids content. You've probably noticed it yourself. Babies literally don't eat food these days unless you put a phone in their hands. And what's playing on that phone? Yep, cartoon songs. So here's the tea. Cartoon songs are not just entertainment, they're a whole business. People are making full-time income from this. And the best part? You don't need to know how to draw. You don't need expensive animation software. You don't even need to hire anyone. You just need the right AI tools and a little creativity. That's it. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through step by step exactly how you can make your own cartoon song video. And don't panic, it's beginner friendly. Even if this is your first time, by the end of this tutorial, you'll have the confidence to make a full cartoon song from scratch. So buckle up, grab your snacks, and let's dive in, because today we're not just watching cartoon songs, we're actually making one. Open up ChatGPT. You can literally ask it, write me a catchy kid song about ABCs, make a nursery rhyme about animals, or even give me a fun song about brushing your teeth. ChatGPT will generate full lyrics for you in seconds. Like, you just sit back, sip your chai, and boom, lyrics done. But wait, here's the pro tip. Don't just take the first version. If the song feels boring, type back something like, make it more fun and silly. Add more rhymes. Write it in a sing-song nursery style. You can even say, make it easy for 3 to 5-year-old kids to sing along. The more detailed your instructions, the better your song will be. For example, if ChatGPT gives you A is for apple, shiny and red, B is for bed, where I rest my head. Cute, right? But you can push it further. Ask, make it rhyme more. Add playful sounds. Then it might give you something like, A is for apple, yummy to munch. B is for ball, let's go and crunch. Now it sounds more fun, more kid-friendly, and that's what you want. Once you've got lyrics you're happy with, copy them and save them. Okay, bestie, now listen carefully because this step is the real game changer. We're not gonna sit here writing image prompts ourselves like some overworked poet. Nope, work smart, not hard. Here's what you'll do. Take the kid's song lyrics that ChatGPT just gave you in step 1. Copy the full song and give it back to ChatGPT with this instruction. Write an image prompt for each line of this song. Make sure the same cartoon character stays consistent throughout all the lines. Every lyric should have its own unique image prompt, but with the same main character, style, and vibe. That's it. ChatGPT will now generate image prompts for you line by line. So if your song has 10 lines, you'll get 10 prompts, one for each line. And because we told it to keep the character consistent, you don't have to stress about the character changing halfway through. This way, when we create images in the next step, every single line of the song will match perfectly with the same cartoon character. Trust me, this hack saves so much time and keeps your video looking professional instead of random. With prompts ready, it's time to create images. Open Gemini, go to the prompt box, and simply paste the image prompt you got from ChatGPT. Then, select the nano model and hit Generate. That's it. Your first cartoon scene is ready. Do the same process for the rest of your prompts. Copy, paste, generate, and one by one, you'll build your full set of images. Pro tip, for every lyric, generate at least 2 images with slightly different angles so your video feels dynamic instead of flat. Soon, you have a whole folder of bright, fun cartoon scenes ready to go. Now it's time to turn our lyrics into a real song. For this, we're using Lemon Slice. First, click the link in the description to go to the Lemon Slice website. Once you're there, sign up for a free account. It only takes a minute. After signing in, look at the menu and click on Audio. A new page will open with lots of options, but what we need is AI music. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll see a box where you can paste your lyrics. Paste the full lyrics of your song into that box. Then click the little arrow button to generate. Wait just a few seconds and boom, your AI-generated song is ready. To use it, click on Use this song. After that, you'll be taken back to the home page. From here, click on Conversation. This is where we'll combine our images and our song to create the video. On the conversation page, click Update Image. You'll see two options: generate new images directly inside Lemon Slice or upload your own. Since we already made our images earlier, we'll upload them here. Once your image is uploaded, you'll see a square box appear. Drag and place that box onto your character's face. This helps Lemon Slice understand which part of the character should animate. Now, look at the top options and switch from script mode to music mode. This tells Lemon Slice that we're syncing images with a song. Next, upload the song you generated earlier. To do this, click Select Music Audio. Here you'll see all the songs you've created. Choose the one you want for this video, and it will be added. For the first image, select only the lines of lyrics that belong to that scene and crop out the rest. Then, in the video prompt box, type in what kind of character movements you want. For example, character singing happily, moving arms, smiling. Scroll down a little and you'll see the Generate Video button. Click it. Wait just a few seconds and your very first cartoon song clip is ready. Repeat the same process for your other images. Upload, assign lyrics, add movements, and generate. Piece by piece, you'll have a full cartoon song video ready to go. And that's it, besties. From ChatGPT to Gemini to Lemon Slice, you've just seen how to go from zero to a full cartoon song. No drawing skills, no expensive animation software, no stress, just AI tools and a little creativity. Honestly, I had so much fun making this tutorial, and I hope you did too. If you liked it, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Okay, that's all for today. Bye-bye. Love you all.